Today I'm doing a what I eat in the day video plus a Trader Joe's haul. So if you'd like to see what I eat in the day and what I buy at Trader Joe's, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm back to a what I eat in the day video, and I'm also going to Trader Joe's, so I'll show you what I buy there. So come on along and share the day with me. Today I'm having a serving of corned beef hash. Well, I'm actually having a half of the can, and that is 6 points and 2 eggs with my iced coffee. This is a 7-point breakfast. So I took a ride to Costco before I went to Trader Joe's, and I got new glasses. These are my old glasses, and these are my new glasses. I like them. Normally I wear contact lenses, but I haven't had a prescription and change in so long. I got some new glasses and new contact lenses. And my contact lenses, I don't have to wear glasses to see anymore because I have a prescription that lets me see far and near, so it's pretty cool. So that's one of the things I did today. Got my new glasses. For lunch, I brought home a Chick-fil-A sandwich. It is valued at 10 points because I take off the top bun and only eat, I count it as a 3/4 of this total points. So that was my lunch today. Okay, I'm going to share with you a Trader Joe's haul I made today. I bought some of my regular items and I try a couple new, plus I have a couple Christmas ones which are higher in points. So we'll start off with my Trader Joe's hash brown patties. These are 4 points per patty. I have the vegetable fried rice, which is 6 points per serving, and the serving size is 1 1/4 cups. And I got this rice cauliflower stir fry. This is 1 point per cup serving. I'm going to try this turkey sausage stuffing fried rice. I've never had this before. It is a little high in points after I brought it home and scanned it. It's 9 points for a serving, and the serving size is 1 1/3 cups. So I'm going to try that. I got some salmon, which is 0 points. I've been liking salmon now. I'm doing it in the air fryer, and I like to have it with rice. In fact, I went to Outback recently and had it for dinner, so it was pretty good. Then I like to get the ground turkey breast there. It's 99% lean, and it is 0 points per serving. I got 2 packs of that. For snacks, I got some cheese puffs. This is 4 points per serving, and a serving size is about 36 pieces. And then I got the kettle cooked potato chips. These are also 4 points. Serving size for that is about 16 or 18 chips. I got a bag of Honeycrisp apples, which I've decided that those are probably my favorite. I got one of this package of these everything ciabatta rolls. They look so good, I thought I would try them. I know the regular ciabatta rolls I think are a little bit lower in points, but these are 6 points per roll, and they would make a really good sandwich. I got this delicious chopped salad kit. I've been wanting to try that. It is only 4 points per serving with the dressing, and the serving size is about a cup. So every time I've gone to Trader Joe's, it's never there, so I'm going to try it this time. I have an avocado. Of course, weigh it out in grams. You get more for your point value. I got some of this non-dairy oat creamer with brown sugar. It is pretty good. It's 1 point per tablespoon. I like to use a little bit just to flavor my coffee something different. I got these Gone Berry Crazy. They're chocolate covered strawberries. They're 6 pieces, is 4 points. And they're really good if you want a little sweet treat. I got 2 packages of the extra lean ground beef. I never remember what the exact points are. I'll put it on the screen. I got a package of the light mozzarella cheese. This is 1 point per 1/4 cup of the cheese. It is really flavorful, really good when you're using cheese. I have a package of these Eggwich breadless breakfast sandwiches. These are 4 points per sandwich. I've had these before and they are really good. You just microwave them in a paper towel and they're really good to go, have on the go. I got one of these turkey chomps. I wanted to try it. They are 2 points each. I got a Trader Joe's beef shepherd's pie. This is 5 points for the entire package, and it is 16 ounces. It's really good. I got a grinder of pink salt crystals and a package of these colorful carrot coins. They are lightly seasoned. I never had these before. They are 3 points per cup. I got this cedar balsam scented candle. It smells like a Christmas tree. It's really good. And then the Christmas snacks I bought, and these are for Christmas, I'm saving them. They are salty honey toffee milk chocolate covered crackers. They look really good. They are 7 points per cracker, so they better be good for that many points. And the last thing I bought is this Jingle Jangle. This is quite point heavy. It's got lots of goodies in there, and it is 9 points for a third of a cup. So that is a lot of points. But like I said, it is out. I'm going to bring it for Christmas, so it's be a Christmas snack. So that's it for my Trader Joe's haul for this time. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you at the next haul. Here's my dinner tonight. I air fried a piece of salmon with some olive oil spray and some spices on it, some brown rice, and some of these restaurant style green giant. These are what I had, garlic parmesan green beans. They are 3 points for a cup and a half. So this meal is 9 points. The salmon looks good. For dessert, I'm having a 2 point sugar-free chocolate pudding with 0 points worth of fat-free Reddi-wip. So this is a 2 point dessert. My last thing I'm going to eat today is this apple. It is 0 points, so that will end my day. So that's going to be the end of today's video. I ended the day using 29 Weight Watcher points. I've been able to get in my water, 128 ounces of water every day so far. So I'm doing good on that point. And that's about it for today. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.